In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do you need renter's insurance, benefits, and tips. If you rent an apartment, house, or condo, it's easy to assume that your landlord's insurance will cover everything inside the home. But in most cases, that policy protects the building itself, not your personal belongings. That's exactly why renter's insurance matters, and understanding it can help you avoid expensive surprises later. Renter's insurance is a type of policy designed to help protect your personal property. It can also provide liability coverage, and it may help with temporary living expenses if your rental becomes uninhabitable because of a covered event. In simple terms, it's there to help protect you financially when something unexpected happens. One of the main parts of renter's insurance is personal property coverage. This can help pay to repair or replace items like furniture, clothes, electronics, and other belongings if they're damaged or stolen due to a covered event. Another key part is personal liability coverage. This may help with legal costs or damages if you're found responsible for accidentally injuring someone or damaging someone else's property. There's also additional living expenses coverage, sometimes called ALE. If a covered loss means you can't stay in your rental, this may help pay for things like hotel stays, meals, and other extra costs while you're displaced. It's also important to know what renter's insurance usually does not cover. Common exclusions often include flood damage unless you have a separate flood policy, earthquake damage unless you add that protection, normal wear and tear, intentional damage, and pest or insect damage. Some high-value items may also have limited coverage unless you purchase extra protection. The benefits of renter's insurance are fairly straightforward. It can protect your belongings from risks like theft or fire, provide financial support if you're liable for accidental injury or property damage, and help cover temporary housing costs after a covered event. For many renters, it also offers peace of mind at a relatively affordable monthly cost. When choosing a policy, it helps to create a home inventory so you know what you own. Estimate how much coverage you need, compare quotes from multiple providers, and carefully review deductibles, coverage limits, and exclusions. It's also smart to ask about discounts, such as bundling policies or installing security devices. So, do you really need it? Renter's insurance may be a smart choice if you own valuable belongings, want liability protection, couldn't easily afford to replace your possessions after a loss, or if your landlord requires it in the lease. Renter's insurance may not be required by law, but it can provide valuable financial protection. Before buying a policy, compare your options carefully, understand what's covered,